Item and resource state mapping. By default, when copying direct or overhead cost schedule items, or copying or cloning group resources or base resources either between projects or within a project, they will maintain their item state when pasted. The Item and Resource State Mapping feature can be found under File, Options, and then the Workflow tab. Here you can choose the item state that direct costs, overhead costs, group resources and base resources will be pasted or cloned with. For example, you can change the first option for direct cost items with a state of check to be pasted across with a state of unfinished. Once you press OK to save, from that point onwards, if you copy a direct cost item that has a state of check, it will now be pasted with a state of unfinished. Group resources and base resources don't just work on paste operations, they also work on clone operations. This is helpful when making similar group resources that have slight changes to the cost estimate. You can go straight into the estimate to make the change without having to worry about the state of the resource. Remember, items are the lines that have quantities in the direct or overhead cost schedules. If you are copying a finished resource or item from another project, you may want it to be in an unfinished or check item state when pasted, because this will force you to review that item or resource before you mark it finished. This means that you have to validate that it is suitable for what you need to use it for in the current project, as the circumstances may be different in the original project you copied from. Because this is a user option, each user can have this setting configured differently, and it won't affect other users. This feature is applied when copying and pasting between projects, within a project, cloning resources, or using resources from a library project. And that's an introduction to item and resource state mapping when copying and pasting items and resources. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.